What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Jake. This is Foreshore Fishing. So today we're on the Sacramento River. Normally I've been fishing on the other side of the bank, but last several times I've been out, I've been seeing a lot of action over here on this side, a lot of fish surfacing. So it was about a half-mile hike or so in. Just got here, gonna give it a try. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna start off by throwing this Mega Bass Vision 110 in the Trout GG color. Oh, there was a follower right there. There was a follower right there. Oh, there's one. Oh, got off. Dang. See you guys there in here. But I'm pretty sure that was a squawfish. It's okay. I do not mind depopulating those. Oh, that was a striper. Pretty sure that was a striper, guys. Oh, it just keeps chasing after it and turning away. Oh, this is a nice overcast day too. Yes. Let's get on them. So far I had a squawfish on and then a little striper chasing it. Oh, do you see that? Oh man, I don't know if you can see that. That was a squawfish all day. He's just right after it too. He nipped at it 2 or 3 times, but his accuracy sucks. I just need a... Oh, there he goes again. Oh no, that's a bigger one. Man, they're there. They're not committing. Come on, I need one of those dumb fish. There, he just went after it again. Here's one. Oh, that is a baby. It doesn't get smaller than that, guys. What I could catch? Oh, I caught a trout. Okay. Was not expecting that. That's awesome. That's awesome. Get a little release. Off like a rocket. Can you guys see that on the bank over there? I'm pretty sure that's a chupacabra. You seen it here first, folks. All right, man. Let's get on something else, right? One trout down. That's so cool. Man, this 14-pound test line too. That trout didn't care. Oh, there's one. Yeah. Little squawfish. Nice. All right, so earlier we were over there. I hiked the 10-minute hike back out of there, drove all the way around. Now I'm on this side. Let's give it a shot. And the fish are just super active, jumping everywhere. I don't know what kind they are. One looked like a carp, one looked like a striper. Who knows, but they're not biting my lure yet. All right, guys, no more luck out here. I think I'm gonna tap out, call it a night. Thank you guys for watching.